Welcome to the CREATA classes. This is third lecture under the quadrilateral series. Okay. In this lecture, we will cover the various types of the parallelogram that include rhombus, rectangle, and square. Okay. We will cover the properties of these parallelograms in very detail. Okay. Let's begin with the lecture. First, we will take the rhombus. Rhombus is a type of parallelogram with all the sides as equal. Okay. Means it will have all the properties of a parallelogram with an additional feature, that is it has all the sides as equal. Okay. The rhombus has one more additional property regarding the diagonals. We know that in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Okay. In rhombus, they also form angle of 90 degree. Means they are perpendicular bisectors. Okay. Let's prove this. The proof is very simple. Let's take the triangle AOD and COD. AO is equal to CO, as we know the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. And a rhombus is a parallelogram. And AD is equal to CD, that we have just discussed, all the sides of rhombus are equal. And OD is equal to OD, that is a common side. So we got both the triangles are congruent to each other, that is as per SSS rule. Okay. And by simplicity, we got angle AOD is equal to angle COD. Okay. And we know sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degree, linear pair of angles. Okay. So we can say angle AOD plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So we got angle AOD is equal to angle COD, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay. This is the proof. So we can say diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. Okay. That's all about rhombus. Moving next to rectangles. A rectangle is a parallelogram with equal angles. All the four angles of a rectangle are equal. Rectangle, being a type of a parallelogram, will have all the properties of a parallelogram with an additional property, that is all the angles are equal. And we know sum of angles in any quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay. The same we have already discussed. So we got each angles as equal to 90 degree. Means a rectangle is a parallelogram in which every angle is a right angle. Okay. Being a parallelogram, the rectangle diagonals also bisect each other. In a parallelogram, the diagonals can be of different length, but rectangle has diagonals of equal length. Okay. This is the additional property. It also has a very simple proof. Let's take the triangle ABC and triangle ABD. AB is equal to AB, that is the common side. BC is equal to AD. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, and rectangle is a type of parallelogram, so its opposite sides will be equal. Okay. Angle A is equal to angle B, that is both the angles are 90 degree. So if we apply the SCS rule, both the triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. And by simplicity, we got the corresponding sides as equal, that is AC is equal to BD. Very simple proof. Okay. Rectangles have equal diagonals. This is the additional feature apart from the properties of the parallelogram. Okay. Now moving further to square. A square is also a special type of parallelogram with all the sides as equal and all the angles as equal. Okay. Rhombus has all the sides as equal, rectangle has all the angles as equal, and square has all the angles as well as all the sides as equal. Okay. Let's talk about the diagonals of a square. The diagonals of a square are equal, and they also bisect each other as being a parallelogram. Okay. Addition to this, the diagonals of a square are perpendicular bisector of each other. You can easily prove the same. Okay. A small exercise for you. So that's it for this lecture. In this lecture, we have covered the various types of the parallelogram. Okay. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. In the next lecture, we will cover the complete summary of the quadrilateral. That will help you in connecting all the fundamentals that we have covered. Okay. So don't miss the next lecture. For more information, visit our website creataclasses.com. Link is given in the description. Okay. If you want the lecture on any specific topic, please mention the same in the comment. Okay. Thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Bye for now.